We got a dishwasher today that's not washing very well, so we're going to get into this sump area and inspect it and see if there's anything down in there. So first thing you got to do is take off that lower wash arm. After you get that lower wash arm off, you got to take off this manifold. There's a clip on the back and then there's a clip on the top. You take those two clips off and push that thing over to your right, and manifold comes off. Then you got some torque screws you got to remove, 4 of them there, and then that sucker comes off. And then there's another torque screw. Well, actually, yeah, let's take a look at this sump, and we can see a bunch of debris down in there. So we're going to take this out, another torque screw, and I got to get this thing out with some pliers. So we'll get this out here in a second. And when we get this thing out, we see a bunch of stuff, toothpicks, pistachio shells. But once we got down in there, I saw this chopper, and that chopper just came apart. But a lot of times, all you need to do is just clean this thing off. As long as that chopper is good, nice, and not broken or anything, you just put it all back together. But in this case, we had to change out this chopper. So if you need this chopper, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. A 4-blade or a 2-blade. I don't think it really matters which one you put on this thing, but if you are one of those guys that need to put the right part back in, I'll have them both down there for you. This chopper assembly is pretty, it's a little tough to get in. I know I don't have a good angle here for you guys, but if you use those needle nose like I did there, to push the blade actually forward, it's a little bit easier to get that chopper assembly back onto that motor. But once you get that thing in, you just put it back together the way you took it apart. But that's pretty much it. This fixed the problem, and it's kind of obvious once you get down there and start inspecting things. But yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of this. But if this has helped, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.